First, take a look at these thumbnails. All of them were made using AI tools. And the best part? You can create thumbnails just like these using AI, without any design skills or complicated software. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to make professional YouTube thumbnails using AI tools, step by step. So make sure to watch the video till the end without skipping. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I bring you more awesome content like this every week. All right, let's jump straight into the video. All right, now go to the website. I've added the link in the description below so you can open it directly from there. Once the website opens, you'll see an interface like this. To create your account, simply click on the sign in button. Then sign in using your Google account. It's quick and easy. This website gives you 10 free credits daily, which you can use to generate thumbnails. Now type the kind of thumbnail you want to create in the prompt box. Once your prompt is ready, click on Run this glyph. Within a few seconds, your thumbnail will be ready. Now just click on the download button to save it to your device. And that's it. This is how you can easily generate amazing YouTube thumbnails using AI tools without any design skills. So friends, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.